Hello students, today we will start with chapter 9 Algebraic Expression. Now first of all you must be knowing what is algebra. Algebra is that branch of mathematics which deals with constants and variables. Now the thing is, what is a constant? Constant means the fixed value that are numbers. So all the numbers are constants. And then variable. Variable means values that can vary. That means the alphabets. All the letters that we use are variables. So what is algebraic expression? Combination of constants and variables along with arithmetic operators, that is plus, minus, multiply and divide, is known as algebraic expression. So when we use constants and variables with plus, minus, multiply, divide signs, all together they form algebraic expression. Alright, here we use constants as numbers and variables as letters. So if we take this example, 2x plus 3y minus z, this is an algebraic expression. You can see here we are using numbers 2, 3 and x, y, z. These are the letters that we are using with this plus and minus sign. Alright, so this is all together it becomes a algebraic expression. Next thing is, what is a term? Now, in this algebraic expression 2x plus 3y minus z, we can see here 2x, 3y and z. These are three different terms. These different terms are differentiated by this plus and minus sign. So let us read it. Different parts of algebraic expression separated by plus or minus sign are known as terms. So in this expression 2x plus 3y minus z, 2x, 3y and z are different terms. Alright. Then we have factors of a term. What are factors of a term? Now we know that various constants and variables in each term are known as factors of the term. Now, if we take this as an example, 4x square minus 7z, what is it? This is an expression. Now, this expression has two terms. What are these terms? 4x square y and 7z. These are terms of it. Now, in this term, we have 4 into x into x into y. So 4x, x, y. These are factors of it. Alright. And same way 7 and z. So 7 and z are factors of this term 7z. Next thing is coefficients. Now if we talk about a term, what is the term? Here 4x square y. Now in a term, the factors for which we have to write coefficient, except that the remaining factor of the term are the coefficients. As I told you, in this term 4x, xy, these four are factors of this term. Now for whichever factor we want to write coefficient, we will leave that and the remaining thing is the coefficient. So how? We can see here in this expression 4x square y is the term and 4 is the numeric coefficient here. What is numeric coefficient? Numeric coefficient is the number. The numeric part is the numeric coefficient and the alphabetic part is known as the literal coefficient. What is the literal coefficient? Literal coefficient is the alphabetic part. Alright. And if we want to write the coefficient of any one of the factor, like here, if we want to write the coefficient of y, except y in this, the remaining part 4x square is its coefficient. Same way, we can write the coefficient of x, means except 1x. There are 2x in 4x square y. The remaining part is 4xy is its coefficient. Same way, if we want to write the coefficient of x square, here the remaining part is 4y. So this is the coefficient of x square. I hope you have understood what is a coefficient, the term for which we have to write the coefficient, except that the remaining part is the coefficient. Okay. Next thing is like terms. What are like terms? All the terms which have the same literal coefficient. What is literal coefficient? Literal coefficient means the alphabetic part. So all those terms which have the same literal coefficient mean the terms in which the alphabetic part is same. They are known as like terms. In this example, 3ab minus 5a plus 2ab minus 4b. We can see here the term 3ab and 2ab. They have the same literal coefficient. What is the literal coefficient here? ab. So they are like terms. Otherwise, 5a and 4b, they have different literal coefficients, different letters. So they are not like. They are known as unlike terms. What are unlike terms? The terms with different literal coefficients are known as unlike terms. So here 2a, 3b, 5c. All these terms are unlike. Next, we have to do types of algebraic expression. Now, let us discuss. First type is monomial. What is a monomial expression? An expression with one term is called a monomial expression. So, let us take an example here. If I write here 2x, 3y, these are two expressions. One is 2x and second is 3y. So they are having only one term. So they are known as monomial expression. Next is binomial. An expression with two terms is called a binomial expression. So if I write an expression here, a plus 2b. Now, there are two terms. One is a, other is 2b. So this is a binomial expression. Third is trinomial. Tri means three. So an expression with three terms is called a trinomial expression. So we can write here example 2a plus 3b plus 4c. Now here 2a, 3b, 4c. Three terms. So trinomial expression. Next is quadrinomial. So an expression with four terms is called a quadrinomial expression. So same way here also we can write an example. If here we write x plus 2y minus 3z plus 4k. Now here we can see 1, 2, 3, 4. Four terms. So this is a quadrinomial expression. So what is a multinomial expression? So any expression with two or more terms. Any expression with two or more terms is called a multinomial expression. So we can say here binomial, trinomial, quadrinomial, all are multinomials. Alright. Then there is a term polynomial. An expression with one or more term is called a polynomial. So we can say here every monomial, binomial, trinomial, all these are actually polynomials. Alright. So now these are the basic things that we need to discuss. Now let us start with exercise 9.1. Now from each question I will do few parts and remaining parts you will do on your own. Here the first question is write all the terms in the given expressions. So here expression is 5x4 minus 3x cube plus 2x plus 7. So what are the terms here? How will you write? So we will write here terms are 5x4, second term is minus 3x cube third term is 2x, and fourth term is 7. Alright. Same way, fourth part is 12x square plus 5x minus 8. There are three terms. So first term is 12x square, second is 5x, and third is minus 8. I hope you have understood what is a term. Alright. So same way you can do the remaining parts of this question. Second question is write the constant term. Constant term means where we have the only number without variable. Okay. So here x square minus 8. You can see here x square, x is a variable, but there is minus 8 which is not having any variable with it. So we can say this constant term is minus 8. Same way, second part is x square minus 4x plus 7 on 9. So you can see here first term x square, second term 4x. Both are with x. But third term is 7 on 9 without variable. So this is a constant. So we can write constant term is 7 on 9. Alright. Now identify the expression. Identify the expression means we have to check how many terms are there in the expression. Accordingly, we will write its type. Here, the first part is a square minus b square. So how many terms are here? One is a square and second is minus b square. So there are two terms. So two terms means the expression is binomial. Alright. Then 7x cube, only one term. So which expression is this? Monomial. Alright. Then one more part we have. Third part is ax square minus bx minus c. So how many terms are here? Three terms means expression is trinomial. I hope you have understood how to write the term. Alright. Then question number 4 is write down the coefficient of x. Coefficient of x means we have to write all the factors except x. Alright. So first part is minus 2x. Minus 2x means except x, the remaining part of the term. Remaining part is minus 2. So coefficient of x here is minus 2. Then in minus 7 on 3 x, y, z square. If we leave x, what is the remaining part? Remaining part is minus 7 on 3 y, z square. So you can see here, except x, the remaining part in the term we are writing as its coefficient. Now, the expression is 4xy square plus 2y square z. So there are two terms, but x is present only in the first term 4xy square. There is no x in the second, so we can't find its coefficient. But in the first term, we have 4xy square. So in this term, except x means left part 4, y square is its coefficient. Understood? Then question number 5 is identify like and unlike terms. So I told you what are like terms. Terms which have the same literal coefficient. Same literal coefficient means same alphabetic part. Alright. In the first question you can see here minus 5xy, 3xy square and 3x square y. Can you find any of the term in which we have the same variables? Here xy, here xy square, here x square y, all are different. So these are unlike terms. So here we have all unlike terms. Next is fifth part, 9ab square minus 4ab square, and here ab square. So all are with variable ab square. So same literal coefficient. So we will write these are like terms. These are like terms. I hope you have understood this. Question number 6 is identify like terms in each. So means we have to check which terms are like. So in first part, 3x square, y square, minus x square and z square. So here you can see that this 3x square and this minus x square, they are like terms. So we can see here, you will write here 3x square and minus x square are like terms. Understood? Same way, we can do its third part also. 3x square z minus 4x square y minus 6yx square y square. Now, this is only x square y square, only one term. Then yx square, y power 1, x power 2. Here also you can see y power 1, x power 2. So, here is a term with z. There is no other term with z. So we can see that here in this 4x square y and minus 6yx square. The literal part is y and x square, y and x square. So these are like terms. So you can write here minus 4x square y and minus 6yx square. They are like. Alright. So I hope you have understood it. With this, we have done all the questions of first exercise 9.1. I have done few parts from each question. Remaining parts you will complete on your own. Alright. Thank you, children.